What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We got the Hellcat right here, looking good, looking good. I wanted to say thank you on my last video, y'all, for the comments and for the views that it got. Right now I'm still waiting to get certified by YouTube, so all the likes, all the comments, and the subscribers, it'll help me. But other than that, guys, I really appreciate all the support on the last video. I'm gonna be trying to put out bangers, banger after banger. We're gonna be putting on the Wicker build on the car today. I have to go get the drill bits. Well, I think I actually have the drill bits in the back, but the what's it called, the gun, guys. So what I was talking about is the gun for these. It'll basically pinch this screw onto the wing. So through here your little screw go in, and the back it'll actually get squished towards the wing. So that's what that gun does, but I forgot what the fuck the gun's called. So yeah, but we're gonna go to the back right now and we're gonna see and make sure that we do have the drill bits. And Hasbula right there. So we're looking for the drill bits and the rivet gun, guys, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where it's at. There's different types of drill bits, guys. Y'all can get like these, but I recommend these over the ones over there. These. So you can get that like perfect hole on you. Yeah. Let me get one of these. The hole's not too big, so I'm gonna get a small one. And the drill bit gun. So y'all gonna wanna get this one, guys. Nah, fuck it. Nah, this is like a little small one, bro. You don't need nothing too big. That shit big, bro. Why is this one more expensive? Small, bro. Let's stop over. Really big, bro.
You don't?
Yeah, cause that's not gonna work, guys. That's not gonna work. I need something like this. Alright, guys, so we got the drill bits right here. We got the rib gun right here. Now I'm just trying to figure out which drill bit is the one that's gonna do the job. But I think it's gonna be this one, guys. So y'all want to drill up until it just goes in. So like this one, it's gonna be to like the third one. It's gonna be a 3/8. So we're gonna drill all the way up to there. The same step is gonna go all in the other holes. And yeah, guys, so let's go do that right now, so y'all can see how the Wicker build's gonna look. Guys, I haven't washed my damn car, but you wanna clean right here. You wanna clean your area first before you do anything. We're gonna put some masking tape, guys, to see where exactly the hole's gonna go. Right there. want to make sure it's centered right. Nah. Okay. I'm gonna get my little time. Raise it up a little bit. All right, we drew the first hole, guys. Now we got the drill bit onto the drill bit gun. So now we gotta do is put it in there and squeeze. So, and I'm doing it like this just because I think it's the best way for me. Other people, you know, they put the tape. I was trying to do the tape and then mark it, but I'm not gonna lie, that was too much, and that shit was, it wasn't working for me. So, you know, let me put that hole in though, and then supposed to squeeze. I think that'll do it. So we got one inside, guys, so far in the past, like what, 20 minutes?
Hour.
Should try this up. So now we gotta drill all the other holes, bro. So let's do that. And I can't record and do it at the same time just because I need help, guys. So I'm gonna show y'all the end product. So guys, we did all the holes already. Now I'm just putting in the little drill bits onto the wing. Luego y'all we'll take off the tape on the wing. You know, well, my girl got me a gloss black, and then the little like glass part that goes on the wicker bill, that's like black too, basically. So it's all black. We got all the drill bits onto the wing now. All that's missing is now just to mount the wing and screw them in, and that'll be it. But as y'all can see, guys, you know, y'all shoot me a message if y'all need wicker bills. I'll be charging about like 500. That's not the wing included though. Y'all don't want to put too much pressure on these little studs, you know, just a little bit. Y'all don't want to break either the wicker bill or, you know, anything really. Tight, 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 tight. Just tight. No. We have finished it, guys. 2 hours later, all done. We got the tail light tint, sign marker tint. I removed the 1320 sticker, you know, so we can have it black. Everything's black now, boy. Yeah. there we have it. And so we finished up the Wicker build, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, it was a quick little video on how to obviously, you know, put on the Wicker build. I'm looking to go to Mexico, you know, here in Houston. So if y'all want to go to Mexico, you know, and you know, do a couple pulls, do a couple what?
Don't do that noise with the kidney.
Oh. Yeah, guys, I'm looking to go to Houston. Go to Mexico here in Houston with you know, some people around the area. If y'all trying to go to Mexico, I have a Hellcat, so you know, we could go have some fun and you know, do a video. So if y'all are down, you know, go hit up my Instagram. It should be in the link on the description down below. So y'all shoot me a message right there. You know, show me what you got, and then you know, we'll go on from there. So yeah, guys, on to the next video though. I'll catch y'all on the next one.